my name is Valerie, and this is Makeup by Valerie. Today we're going to be doing everything bougie. So, let's see, we've got our Givenchy Prism Libre Skin Caring Matte Foundation. We've got our Laura Mercier Setting Powder. We've got the NARS Orgasm Blush today. And we also have Patrick Ta. So, because I'm not really sure which one I want to use today. We've got our Dior Show Iconic Waterproof Mascara. Our Charlotte Tilbury Highlighter. Our Christian Dior Lipstick. And this is a eyeliner by Benefit. So, oh, and our setting spray today is, it's the Urban Decay All-Nighter Long-Lasting Setting Spray. So we should be good to go. So let me get my brushes out. I can find them. In here, I have a ginormous purse with everything I own in it. All right, here we go. We got our brushes. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and get my hair out of my face. I have put on my sunscreen today. I always do. And that's the only thing that's not really bougie. It's that e.l.f. Sunscreen /primer. But other than that, we're good to go. Everything's bougie today. So, we're going to start with the foundation over here, the Givenchy. I think that's how you say it. So I'm going to do a little color test here because I've been getting tan, so yeah. It's a little bit light. I'm going to go ahead and add some glow drops, and that's the only thing really that's not bougie. But it's just a couple of drops. Okay. Get our palette. All right. I just put the Givenchy in here, and the color, yes, the color. What is the color today? Oh goodness gracious, I cannot read that at all. We'll just call it light. It's light. Okay, and we'll get our little glow drops here. And L'Oreal has excellent, their Lumique lotion is excellent too if you want to, go to the store, pick that up. It's just that I bought this, so I'm going to use it, until it's gone before I go out and buy another bronzer. Liquid glow, I mean. Okay, so I just pour this into, and it's just a tiny bit into the Givenchy. Purists would be like, what are you doing? You're ruining it. But I don't think so. mix that up with our stick. Mix, mix, mix. And I went ahead and put in some copper bronzer there. That's the color I used in the glow drops today. Just get that mixed up real good. And you want to wipe the end, otherwise you'll get makeup everywhere. Okay. So I'm going to take my sponge and I'm going to dip in here. Yeah, it's a little bit better. You know, it's just so hard to tell online, you know, what you're getting. So sometimes you end up with something like this. It's like way light, but we'll, you know, put some blush on. We'll fix it up. You know, we'll get some bronzer on there today. Okay. Just blend, blend, blend. Just get under the chin, under the jawline. Just spread this out. The more we spread this out, you know, the more it's going to blend into our own skin. So we don't want to cake this one on because it's just so light. Okay. All right. Yeah, this is a nice medium-ish coverage. All right. Givenchy to the side. We're gonna put this palette to the side. Actually, okay. And we're gonna go in with the Laura Mercier Real Flawless Luminous Perfecting Pressed Powder. And this thing is gorgeous. I mean, it's like kind of like a gossamer look to it. Just open that up. Take our powder brush. Okay. This is by e.l.f. and it's nice and clean today. So, just gonna dip into the Laura Mercier. Get that powder on there. Oh, you know what? That actually has a bit of a darkening effect on this foundation. It's really pretty. This color. I mean, it has, what I'm trying to say is that this has a little bit of color to it. Okay. I love pressed powders. They take all the messiness away, all the guesswork. This is what it looks like. It's just stunning. And yes, it is in translucent. Excuse my humming. It's just like a really bad habit I have. Okay, so we're good with our powder and our foundation. Okay, now we're gonna go for the blush. And I'm thinking I might, you know, mix the Patrick Ta and the NARS together. We'll see, we'll see. Okay, yeah, this Patrick Ta. This particular one is called Not Too Much, and it isn't, it's not too much. So I'm gonna go with that first. Get my Stylevana blush brush and dip it into the Patrick Ta. And make sure to go high up on those cheekbones. Yeah. Yeah, this is actually quite beautiful. I don't think we're gonna need the NARS Orgasm today. Yeah, this is pretty gorgeous. So we'll just set that to the side. Okay. Now we're gonna head on in with that nose contour. Okay, and this contour stick is by Sheet Lamb. Okay. Sorry, I'm gonna have to move the mirror in so I can see what exactly it is I'm doing. Okay, because you have to be very precise when it comes to your nose contour. I mean, some people, you know, they just kind of slap it on. I don't know how they do it. They slap it on and it looks good. I've got to be a lot more deliberate than that. And you go down the sides of your nose here. Make a semicircle above the bulbous part of your nose. And then you want to make a little V right here at the bottom. Yeah. And that'll just help with shortening your nose and making it look more buttony. Okay. I'm going to blend this in first and then add the highlight. As usual. Oh. All right. I forgot something. Go up from the semicircle and join those lines together like that. Okay. And this is also a e.l.f. brush that I use to blend here. Yeah, I don't use this one for anything else but this. It just, I don't know, it just blends really well.